Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Vulkan-1.dll missing error when trying to run RPCS3, the PlayStation 3 emulator. If you have tried launching RPCS3 and you get an error saying something like Vulkan-1.dll is missing from your computer, don't worry, this is a common problem and it's easy to fix. The reason this happens is that Vulkan is a graphics API and RPCS3 relies on it to run games smoothly, but if your system doesn't have the proper Vulkan runtime installed or if your GPU drivers are outdated, you will run into this issue. Alright, let's fix it. First, what you need to do is update your graphics card drivers. This is the most common solution and usually all it takes. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, go to the official Nvidia website, download the GeForce Experience app, and use it to install the latest drivers. If you're using an AMD graphics card, go to AMD's official site and grab the auto detect tool or manually choose your GPU to download the right driver. Once your drivers are installed and updated, restart your computer. Then try launching RPCS3 again. Now, if you're still getting the Vulkan-1.dll error, it's time to manually install the Vulkan runtime. To do this, head over to the official Vulkan website, that's vulkan.lunargy.com. From there, go to the Download section and choose the version for your operating system. Download the Vulkan SDK and install it. Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer to use it. Installing the SDK will automatically include the Vulkan-1.dll file your system is missing. Once that's done, restart your PC again and try launching RPCS3 one more time. If everything went well, the emulator should now open without any errors related to Vulkan. Still having trouble? Double check that your GPU actually supports Vulkan. Most modern cards do, but if you're using a very old or unsupported one, you may be limited to OpenGL in the settings. To check that, open RPCS3, click on Configuration, and then GPU and switch the render from Vulkan to OpenGL, just as a temporary workaround. But ideally, you will want Vulkan working because it performs better with many games. Alright, that's it. I hope this helped you solve the Vulkan-1.dll missing error in RPCS3. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you got questions or run into other issues, drop them in the comments. I am happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.